TieToc. Do 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 do. So today we're doing a review on the TieToc. This is a saw. It's a little mini printer. Now, this solved the problem for me. I have a very expensive 18-inch chainsaw that's gas powered, and I hate to take it out every year and clean it and oil it and change the fluids, and it's very expensive to use. So I want to retire it. And I have a well-established yard, and I only prune 2 weekends out of the year. That gets all my trees and shrubs and stuff to a minimum. And I don't need a big saw anymore, a big expensive saw. I need something better, affordable for me. And I wanted to try battery powered this year. Something quick, something painless. On the charger, boom. So I was looking through Amazon, and I didn't even know I wanted this until I seen it. So this is from TieToc. It caught my eye because it comes in a carrying case. We're going to open it all up here in a second. It comes in a carrying case, has a little booklet with it. I got some notes here so I can give you a couple talking points on this because it's cool. Okay, so it comes in a nice little hard case. Let's pop this bad boy open. Now, there's a reason why I chose this. Affordability is always the first reason. But it comes with everything you need in a case. It has the anti-cut gloves right there. Safety glasses. It comes with 2 batteries, and they're 2 amp hour 21 volt max batteries. 2 batteries. Okay. Ooh. It comes with a saw. And it's got some nice weight to it. It's very durable feeling. So it comes with a saw, and it's a 6-inch saw. It's perfect. It'll cut up to a 6-inch log. So let's face it, through winds, through rain, we've only had tree limbs fall. Like I said, we have a well-established yard. So this would be perfect. The biggest probably I have is like a 4-inch log that a branch breaks off of a tree. And I hate breaking out everything to do it. Now, yeah, it's got a good feel. It's got good weight to it. Okay, so there's the saw. Now, it has an extra chain. It has an extra bar. It's like, it keeps going and going. It's got a charger for the batteries. It's got a little oiler tube, so you can put the oil in it. You have to have the bar and chain oil. So you fill this up, and that's about what it takes. It's got a little cleaning brush, so that's pretty cool. It's got a Phillips screwdriver, and it's got a little chain sharpener. A lot is in this little box. So for what you pay, there's no way you can get better. This is what it cost me just to start my gas one. And then I have to do that every time I use it. So affordability, yes please. And like I said, it comes in this case. Now, the reason why, another reason, it fits in the case like this, when you fill it with oil, right, the oiler's on the top. So if you put it in a case like this, it'll never leak out. So when you store it, just kind of store it upright like that. And you won't ever have oil down your case. If you go on a chainsaw, you know what I'm talking about. Oil is all over the case. They thought of that. So, yeah, you get gloves. I mean, it's got everything you need just to go out there and just do your thing. except you do have to charge the batteries. Now, on these batteries, it's got this little charge indicator. So if you hit it, see if you can see that, hit the button, it tells you if you got a charge or not, or what the charge is. That's full charge. So let me go through the key points. Batteries click in. Now that weighs 3.6 pounds. So one-handed is perfect. So when you're trying to reach up to get that branch, awesome. The chain already comes pre-lubed and pre-tightened. So now when you tighten these, you could take this, loosen that up, and then in here you got your tensioner. So you just loosen that up a little bit, use the tensioner, or if you want to replace it, you can take that off. Very simple. And it has this guard here, so when you're cutting, you ain't getting splashed back in your face. So they have a bunch of safety features. Now, it's got the security lock here, so you have to press this button in. There you go. So you can use your thumb and your finger, and it won't do it without that being pressed. Now, let me take this off so I don't cut my fingers off. Now, it's got the oiler right here. Now, let's pop some oil in it. Here, let's put this back on. I already know I got a lot of holes in my thing here. So, it doesn't take that much. It takes just a little amount of oil because you don't need that much. It's a 6-inch blade. Like my big saw, that thing spreads oil all over the place. So by the time you're done using it, it's just a mess. There we go. So you probably want to use a funnel with this. See if I can not get it all over the place. And there we go. Now this is a special bar and chain oil that I like to use. It is biodegradable, and when you burn your wood, like I do, I have a fireplace, you don't get a bunch of chemicals. So now, when you prime this thing, you prime the oil into your system, just like so, and that'll get it down there. So when you start to cut, it'll self-prime. That's just to get it started. So when you fill it up, give it a couple pumps, and it'll shoot oil down here, and then as you go, it'll pre-prime itself and pre-lube itself automatically. Okay, security lock, safety baffle, anti-cut gloves, and the handle. It's got an anti-slip handle, so it's got these grooves in it, so you got that good grip, so it just doesn't shake out. And it's got the eye protection. So, complete kit. Very awesome. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, and that's why I got it. I got it for ease of use and durability. I've seen a lot of good comments on this, and I've seen some TikToks on it. So I pulled the trigger. I was like, I'm getting one. They just seem like they're going to be awesome. So, and that's, oh, you got to pull these stickers off too. These are your warning stickers. And they're right over the cooling system. So where it sucks the air in, you don't want that in there. So yeah, very cool. Like I said, it's got a good weight to it. Anyways, like let me go through it again. It's got the manual oiler. If you fill that full of oil, then you can just dump it in. It's got a little cap for easy, so you don't need a funnel. 2 batteries, charger, bar, chain, gloves, sharpener, brush, and Phillips. So everything in one. All right, that's what I got for today. I will see you guys next time. Thanks.